Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up email account on your Bluehost and connect it with Outlook. So first of all, you're going to connect to your Bluehost and you're going to click on cPanel email, like so. And now you will be given an option to choose email accounts, forwarders, email filters, spam filters, and so on and so forth. So you want to create and manage email accounts with cPanel. So just click continue. And after that, you will be redirected to the cPanel email accounts. Now, you want to create a new email, like so. And after that, you're going to enter your username, which you want to use for your, enter your email address's username here. And now, when you entered it, now you're going to create a password. And after that, you're just going to click create. And now our email account was created. Now we're going to click check email and you will be redirected to this webmail login. They will log you in. And after that, you can actually open up your round cube. And here you can actually check if your email is working. So after you've done that, you will now need to connect it with, for example, Outlook. Now, when you connect to your Outlook, you're going to click on this settings gear and you're going to click on it. And here you're going to click sync email. Now, you're going to go ahead and add a new email. Now I'm just going to click add email address. And here you will basically need to create an address and add that address you just created on the Bluehost. So now I just added it, and actually you can click verify and go back here on round cube, and as you can see, this is the email. Now you need just to click and verify, and you can just make the default address like so. Now when you click new mail, you will see that it is sent from, so for example, this is the example I'm using, and this is what I connected from my Bluehost, and you can send emails from this account. So that's how you actually connect it. It was harder than right now, so as you can see, it was really easy to connect. If you have some issues, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.